Hey, this is an independent review for a.applications.com, and today we're taking a look at Google Earth. Google Earth is Google's iPhone app, also available on the iPad, to help you explore the Earth and the world around you. You can easily use satellite views, street views. So it's that of the simple, Google Maps or Google Earth that's available on your web browser, brought to you in a mobile form. So you can see here you can go around the globe, zoom in, and get really detailed views and satellite images of specific locations. In this case, we're in Romania. You can do it based off of anywhere you want to search. You can do it based on location. So if you want to see where you're at and the places around you, you can click on the top left to see layers. So you can see businesses, Wikipedia entries, 3D buildings, roads, oceans, all this crazy stuff. So you can even sign in via your Google account. So if you have anything of interest that you want to save via your Gmail account, you can easily do that. Additionally, you can search in the top right. So you can search for a specific place. For example, you can see Japan. I can go over to Japan. It'll automatically take the globe over to Japan. Now it has multiple views. Again, you can go down to the street level view via Google Earth and get really, really detailed images here going into a specific place here. So you can click into somewhere, see certain items, and click on that and get certain details related to that place. And again, just get really detailed views of the specific place. So pulling up here, I can see images of the place. I can click on something and it'll take me to that specific place as it slowly zooms in there, and I'll start to load. Now, a couple of the pros and cons here. The loading, in terms of cons, sometimes the loading is a little bit laggy. Sometimes there's a little bit of issues related to, viewing specific places and stuff like that. Also, the touch response tends to be a little dodgy at times. Sometimes you'll be zooming out with a pinch to zoom gesture and it kind of just goes on its own. You can also rotate freely like that, but again, sometimes it just has its own set of issues. And last but not least, some people have experienced crashing with the recent updates, so there is some issues in terms of crashing when it comes to certain street level views of specific locations and stuff like that. Other than that, in terms of pros, it's a really, it's free. You don't have there's no barrier to entry. It's just like the mobile app. You can enter for free and explore the world around you. I think it's really cool. You get this whole global view to see the earth around you. It has really nice search optimization, and I also like, in terms of pros, the ability to see layers. So you can see, rather than just the geography of it, you can see businesses, you can see roads, oceans, all that sort of stuff. So it is really versatile with that. And last but not least, it packs that location-based awareness. So you can use it to find, again, places near you and stuff like that. So you can see the locations around you, street level views, all of that cool stuff, using the location base in the bottom left. So overall, it's a free app. It's easy to use, and it's, again, a mobile version of Google Earth on the web. So definitely worth checking out. Google Earth, you can find it in the App Store today.